Welcome to the video on the bonus offer, value and volume. Be creative because creativity will make you unique and make your bonus stand out from the crowd, especially if you're promoting a product that is just launching. There are different forms of bonus offers you can choose for different purposes depending on the kind of business you are dealing with. You might want to use a bonus as an extra product or service. What about guiding or providing supplementary knowledge to help the original product users? Then I think videos are what you need. People nowadays are more exposed with a visual experience than printed or written words. In addition, videos are suited and very effective for step-by-step learning processes and tutorials. Videos can definitely add to the value of your bonus since it helps the users to understand the product or service better, and it is what they are usually looking for. If you want to make your bonus more attractive, consider using software or tools to offer great advantages as a bonus offer. Taking price into consideration, software or tools are usually expensive. Well, there are cheaper ones of course, but unfortunately these are really difficult to find. Then, when you offer a free tool as a bonus, your subscribers would definitely take the chance to make the purchase immediately. They are categorized as rare and rarity equals exclusivity, which makes it more desirable to customers. Software and tools are always needed by customers in doing their work, and an additional tool for a content creation product is easy to actually find. A very irresistible offer, for example, would be a product related to photography, and the bonus would be an editing tool, which has a very high value. Also, it's relevant to the product, making it more attractive and desirable. Just like tools and software, templates as bonuses work well for creative-based products. Templates can exist in many forms, like a poster template. PowerPoint slide templates, for example. For poster and design templates, you can include it as a bonus to a product that is related to editing or designing. If the product was a tutorial-based product, perhaps a designing tool giving them a set of templates is a great reward. Done-for-you products are very valuable. After all, we're living in a technology era where people value convenience. In other words, tools that help things be easier. Another bonus idea that you could use is a set of ready-made templates that is related to a presentation or video recording. Let's say you're selling an ebook that is a guide on how to make powerful presentations. Providing them presentation templates would be a great big plus. Having this as a bonus will not only help the users, but also give them a big push to create more content that they can actually use. Some users have problems with designing presentation slides. To those users, the provision of templates for presentation slides is very beneficial. When you are selling something like this, you want to make it easy as you can for the users. This will make the bonus that you are offering more enticing. Special reports can come in many forms. First, it could be conducting an interview with a knowledgeable person to discuss about the product or maybe something that is relevant to the product. For instance, there are some books to help someone about something plus a transcript of an interview as a bonus. In the interview, the discussion is all about dating, and then naturally the interviewee will share some expert insights and ideas with regards to dating. Special reports function as a teaser for the reader, and you don't have to show the entire picture in the special report. This would make the readers more interested and curious that as a result they end up purchasing the product. As you know by now, exclusivity sells. There's nothing more exclusive than access to exclusive content within a member's area. And what makes exclusive content? By having to have a membership to get access to it. Some content of websites are limited only to members. To obtain a membership, they have to make a payment. Giving the buyer of the product access to this exclusive content is a sales closing offer. It's giving them free access to paid content. Now remember, you want to deliver value and volume with all your bonuses. Don't just add stuff to make it seem like you are offering a lot. If your customer can't use it to add to their experience, it is useless. And I'm going to leave you with this last final quote. Good, better, best. Never let it rest. Till your good is better and your better is best. I'll see you in the next video.